Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. Whether you need scheduled maintenance, windshield repair, or a tune-up, when you bring your vehicle to Allen GMC, you're sure to receive prompt and courteous service from a GMC certified staff dedicated to quality for our customers. We strive to get all of your maintenance and repairs done right the first time. Visit us at www.allengmc.com. While you're there, print out money-saving service coupons. Check out our service center for information or to set an appointment. Find out about our internet specials. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. Allen GMC is located at 28332 Camino Capistrano in Laguna Niguel, California.